This free AI tool is going to help you generate videos, images, and still give you free coins every day, which means daily they'll renew your coins. And if you do not use the coins for that day, they'll carry it over for the next day. This tool is very sweet for those of you beginners who are starting and you're looking for free tools to start with. And today I'll be showing you how to actually work on this tool. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On Wokobuchi, we do everything tutorial, everything free. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to like. Very important. I have a lot of views, but I don't have lots of likes. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you how to actually use this tool for free and create your African folktale stories, your movies, or whatever things that you want to be creating. And it's super easy to use. Let's go. Let me walk you through on how to register to usage. Okay, so usage, use. Anyways, I don't know English. Let's go. Let me show you what to do. So first thing first, you go to your app store or you go to your browser. So I'll be using this on my browser, okay? So once you get to your browser, you type on the browser Dgen AI, okay? This is it right here, this one, all right? You click on it and you wait for it to load. Now it will ask you to register with your Gmail account, okay? Now when you get here, you open it like this. This is how it opens for you. And then you tap on this small head up here. When you tap on that head, it will ask you to log in, continue with your Gmail. You can sign up with phone number or anything, but I'll be signing up with Gmail, okay? So you click and sign up with your Gmail. So I'm done signing in, and you can see now that the interface has changed, all right? So it brings you here. Now at this point, down here, you can see, here you see upgrade here. You don't need to just exit and take it out because you can still use it for free. Now you come here where it says describe your video. So now here, you can describe your video, what you want, right? You can choose what kind of video you want to generate, okay? What you need to do is here, you need to add in your prompt to generate your video. Now, let's just go. Let's say give or take. And here, you can bring in an image to turn your image into videos as well. So for those of you who do image to video, you can do your image to video and you can do video to text to video, okay? So at this point, let's say we are doing describe your video here, and I go to, let's just go and take a prompt of mine, okay? Let me take a random prompt and bring it up here. First off, I'll save this image, save that image, so I'll use it for lecture as well. Now I'll come here and I'll take my prompt. I'll take my prompt. This is motion prompt. Take that prompt, bring it here. Now we go back to the browser, and here I'll click on add photo, and then I upload a photo. I'll choose upload image. You click on upload image, then you choose from your library. So I'll choose this from my library. I have that in. Now we have that photo. That's the photo there. Then I'll click here on describe photo. So I'll definitely put my prompt. My prompt is actually dialogue, motion, everything is inside this prompt. That's why you should know what you're doing before you go generating your images or your videos. So once you're done with that, I'll click on done. Okay, I'll click on done, and I'll wait. Come here where you see this star thingy, this star thing here. You can click on it, which is generate for them. You click there and you wait for it to generate. So right now your image is generating, and it will give you a 5 seconds video. If it's an image, I'll show you how to generate an image on here as well. So while this is generating, let's go and take a prompt so we can generate our image, because I don't like to waste your time. All right. So I'll go now and I copy a prompt, just a simple prompt, an empty prompt without a video. So this is an image prompt. I'll copy this image prompt, bring it down here. So for this image prompt, I do not have character description in here, but let's just see the image they're generating for us, okay? So I'll go back and let's see. Let's wait for a few times. So current channel has 90 tasks. So we wait for them to finish the task. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's see what we have.
Stop it!
Let me go! Ugh.
Okay.
Stop it!
Let me go! Ugh.
Can you guys see that? This is super good. Like I told you, I always bring you, I bring you the best of the bestest. Okay. So now once you're done, you just click here. You save your video. Okay. Click there and save your video. And with the watermark, Save your video in your phone. Now with this watermark below, you can just crop it up a little bit. You can crop it up or you use your name to cover it. But instead of using your name to cover it, I'll prefer you crop up the image. You see, like here, let me open it and show you guys. Let's open it so I'll show you what to do. You see, there it says Degen AI.
Stop it!
So you can just
Let me
crop it
go.
up a little bit. That's a perfect one. Okay? Crop it up a little bit and it's perfect. Super. I like that. All right, let's go now to generating the image. Show you how to generate your image. So here, let's say you already have your images that are scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. You just bring them here. You upload your image, number 1. Then you put your prompt, which means you're putting your motion prompt and your dialogue script. I know a lot of you don't know how to do this thing, but if you want me to show you step by step on how to put in motion prompt and dialogue script together, let me know, because some of you, your characters are going wild. You can see mine here.
Stop it!
Let me go.
You see? It goes like a real movie because I described it and I said what I wanted, how I wanted my characters to act. Okay? So you can see here, it gives you motion prompt. Then you come here, it gives you sound, it gives you dialogue. That's how I work. For those who work with me, they already know. People who work with me on private lessons they already know. Okay, now we are done with this. What I'll do is at this point, let's generate an image. Okay? So I'll X everything here. Click and X everything. Click and X everything. So if you have your scenes, like I said, generate your scenes one after another. Same method. Okay? Same way, just generate your scene step after step, your images step after step. Now I'll click on this plus button again, and then it says select from gallery. Okay? Instead of selecting from gallery, you click on select from gallery. It will say create an image. You can click up there also to create an image, but this is the easiest way. I'll just click here, generate an image. So while it gives me the place for me to generate my image, then you type your prompt here. So you can actually see up here, they give you 280 coins. I've already used, so they give you 300 coins. Okay? And each generation takes 20. And then they renew it for you every day. So here I'll click on there and I'll type my prompt. So this is my image prompt. Okay? This is image prompt. And I described the prompt already, like I told you. And then I'll click here where it says here you can actually choose your image dimension. If it's for YouTube, you choose 16.9. If it's for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, you choose 9.16, right? Now, when you're done, click here on generate again, and then you wait for your image to generate. So this particular image, mind you, I did not put any consistent character description inside, or I did not put any description. This character description I did not put. So it's just a wild prompt or a vague prompt without me mentioning how I want my characters to be. So you see, they gave me same characters, but now in white. This is my story on ChatGPT that already have their character description. And I mentioned that I wanted my characters to be Black Americans. So this particular one now, they changed it for me and then they gave it like this. So you can actually see, yes, this tool is your go-to. The tool is good. To generate image, it costs 5 coins. And then to generate videos is 20 coins. When you're done, you click on save and save your images. Save your videos, save your images. Like it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. You understand? So yeah, this is a free tool for you. And for those of you who want how to generate African folktale stories or movies with this particular tool, please, my Wokobuchi Academy, my other account that is Wokobuchi Academy, I'll put a step-by-step tutorial there because that is the step-by-step tutorial where I give you courses for free on my Wokobuchi Academy. Okay? Name on YouTube, Wokobuchi Academy. Still me, you see me there. So yeah, guys. Bye, guys. Comment in the comment section the next AI you want me to review for you. And yep, I will be there. Bye-bye.